we doing here, Jo? Why are there so many clothes?
So Mum, I know how much you love to dress up. For this Mother's Day, I've gotten you the gift of an infinite wardrobe.
An infinite wardrobe? What's that?
So basically, I signed up for this fashion subscription where every month you get to rent an unlimited amount of clothes in a variety of styles for any event. So to show you what I mean, I have a gift for you. Have a look inside the box.
That's an interesting concept. I'm excited to see what's inside. Looks interesting. Wow, it looks nice.
Why don't you give it a try? I can't wait to see what you look like in it. Oh wow, Mum, you look great.
I actually thought I wouldn't like this style, but you know, actually it's quite comfortable and really classy.
Yeah, I'm glad you like it. It suits you.
I can definitely see myself wearing this to work.
Oh, nice.
Thanks. I like it so much. Look at it. Yeah. Look at the frills. I really love the frills.
And this is my first time seeing you in yellow.
I didn't know I could suit this color.
Wow, so glamorous.
Yeah, I really love this. It's so gorgeous. You know, you picked the right dress and I just can't wait to wear it for this upcoming event.
Okay, come Mum, let's go look at more stuff.